Hey, knowledge seekers! Have you ever wondered why children are so curious? From the moment we're born, we have two essential needs. One is for food, sleep, and drink, the basics that keep our bodies going. But the other, it's a craving for knowledge. Think about it. A baby grabs at brightly colored objects, tastes them, listens intently to new sounds. As they grow, they start asking questions. What's that? Why does this happen? This isn't just random behavior. It's the soul's natural desire to understand the world. So, why do we lose this curiosity as we grow older? Instead of continuing to seek knowledge, many of us become content with what we know. We stop asking questions. We stop exploring. We let our bodies guide us, not our minds. Imagine if we kept that childhood curiosity alive. Our spiritual life would flourish. We'd constantly seek to understand the mysteries of the universe, both visible and invisible. Without this quest, we're no different from other creatures. From the beginning, we were set apart by our soul. As we grow in wisdom, why do we neglect our curiosity? Why do we not follow the path of knowledge seekers? We must strive to broaden our interests and nourish our souls with wisdom. Spiritual virtues are far superior to physical desires. Yet, many of us are reluctant to pursue this path. We settle for shallow understanding, believing ignorance costs us nothing. When wise people offer counsel, how often do we dismiss it, saying, "I'll live by my own wits"? This stubbornness hinders us from recognizing the value in their words. We end up arguing over our ignorance, mistaking it for knowledge. There's no spark in our hearts, no faith in our souls. Are we any different from animals if we only use our eyes and not our minds? In childhood, we were genuinely human, always seeking to learn. As adults, we risk becoming worse than beasts, knowing nothing but defending our ignorance. Let's reignite that childhood curiosity. Let's strive to learn, to understand, and to grow. Because in seeking knowledge, we truly become what we should be, human beings. Thanks for watching, Knowledge Seekers. Remember to stay curious, stay inspired, and keep seeking knowledge. @KazaKreeview